Pickles are more than just a simple side dish. They are a beloved main dish, bringing an explosion of flavor to meals around the world. With their perfectly balanced sweet and sour flavor and satisfying crunch, they have become a staple on dining tables around the world. But have you ever wondered how fresh cucumbers are transformed into the rich pickles we enjoy? Today, we take you on a fascinating journey through the pickling process. From the green fields where they are grown to the high-tech factories where they are carefully processed. Let's start our exciting journey into the pickling process right now. The modern pickling process begins with cultivation, with tiny, carefully selected seeds, with the help of high-tech machinery to ensure quality. The seeds are sown into the soil at the correct depth, creating a foundation for healthy plant growth. The giant machines not only help in sowing seeds efficiently, but also ensure optimal use of land resources. After sowing, the young plants are carefully cared for, from organic fertilization to protection from pests. This stage is very important because it determines the strong growth of the seedlings. To maximize the possibility of pollination, many farmers keep bees near their crops. These bees search for nectar and pollinate cucumber flowers, significantly improving crop yields and creating higher quality crops. Over time and with proper care, the small seedlings will become mature plants, ready for harvesting. Harvesting is one of the most important and decisive stages in the process of making pickled cucumbers. It all starts in the morning. The harvest season takes place in the early summer days. This is the time when farmers and workers work at full capacity to pick standard cucumbers. The cucumbers must have the perfect proportions of size, shape, and ripeness. Not too big to ensure that the marinade is absorbed evenly, and not too small to maintain their crispness and texture. Nowadays, with the help of modern technology, harvesting is no longer a laborious task as it used to be. Automatic and semi-automatic machinery systems help speed up the process, ensuring consistent and efficient harvest quality. Cucumbers are harvested while still fresh, avoiding prolonged exposure to sunlight to preserve their crispness and nutritional value. After harvesting, cucumbers are quickly transported to processing facilities. This is where the sophisticated and complex processes begin. First, the cucumbers are washed using automatic washing systems, removing dirt and pesticide residues. Each melon must pass a rigorous inspection. Only those that meet the standards for shape, size, and freshness are allowed to continue into the pickling process. After cleaning, the cucumbers undergo blanching using hot water or steam to improve the texture and retain their natural color. This process prepares the cucumbers to absorb the spices in the next stage. The pickling stage is the most important. The cucumbers are soaked in large tanks containing a special brine solution. The formula of this solution includes vinegar, salt, sugar, and some other secret ingredients that each manufacturing company has its own, combining tradition and modernity to create a special flavor. Once the pickling process is complete, the production line processes the cucumbers in two different sizes. The larger ones are sliced by industrial machines for use as toppings on burgers and other foods, while the smaller ones are jarred intact. After sterilizing the jars, the cucumbers are placed and the spices are evenly distributed. Then, each jar is filled with hot sauce. This process not only flavors the cucumbers, but also ensures sterilization for optimal preservation. The cucumbers are soaked in brine for 1 to 4 weeks, depending on the regulations of each company. Sterilizing and sealing the jars is the next step. This ensures that the product is kept safe and free from any bacterial contamination. Next, the cucumbers are put through a fermentation and ripening phase, which develops their unique flavor and texture. Fermentation can last from a few days to a few weeks, depending on each factory's recipe. Once the fermentation process is complete, the product undergoes a rigorous quality control process. Every jar of cucumbers is thoroughly inspected to ensure that there are no technical errors or defects. The tightness of the jar lid is also checked to ensure that no air gets in. Samples of cucumbers are analyzed in the laboratory to ensure that they meet food safety standards and have perfect taste. Once all tests are satisfactory, the cucumbers are ready for packaging and distribution. The next stage is logistics and transportation. Specialized vehicles will ensure that the optimal temperature is maintained throughout the delivery process, keeping the cucumbers fresh and ready to be placed on supermarket shelves and delivered to consumers. With the development of technology and packaging, pickled cucumbers are increasingly packaged in attractive and environmentally friendly ways. New products, such as instant pickled cucumbers, are satisfying today's busy consumers. Pickled cucumbers are not only a familiar side dish, but also a source of beneficial bacteria for the digestive system. The microorganisms present in the natural fermentation process help improve digestion while strengthening the body's immune system. In addition, pickled cucumbers are also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which support metabolism and help prevent some digestive diseases. Pickled cucumbers are not only a traditional dish, but also in line with modern nutritional trends. From appetizers to main ingredients in complex dishes, pickled cucumbers have become an indispensable part of global culinary culture. The journey of pickled cucumbers is not stopping at the present, but is opening up a potential future. The delicate combination of traditional secrets and modern improvements will continue to bring you new culinary experiences. From green fields to family meals, each product is a testament to continuous development. If you love this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on interesting content about technology and agriculture. Thank you for joining us and see you in the next videos.